AI in food systems, the good, the bad, and the frustratingly vague. AI is all over the mainstream food media like a rash at the moment, and so many AI in food articles are thinly disguised public relations exercises containing vague platitudes with no juicy details. It's frustrating. Reminder, AI stands for Artificial Intelligence, computer-generated algorithms and models which enable machines to learn from data, make decisions and solve problems. Machine learning, language processing, computer vision and robotics are all types of AI. Among the hundreds of AI in food systems stories that have come across my desk in the past 3 months, there have been just 3 that described actual use cases in a meaningful way. Here they are. AI helps develop a food fraud analytical method. The good. A group of researchers at Queen's University Belfast used data fusion processes to discover which analytical parameters were best for differentiating salmon samples. Machine learning, a type of AI, is applied to data fusion to improve its performance. Their paper published last month described how computer learning methods were used to first combine raw data from 2 spectroscopic analytical methods, REIMS, iKnife, and ICP-MS, and then choose which parameters were optimal for distinguishing between salmon samples from different origins. The result was a new method that could successfully identify the geographical source of the salmon from Alaska, Norway, Iceland, and Scotland, as well as whether they were farmed or wild caught. A carbonated beverage company designs a product with AI. The development team at a Swiss beverage company used the publicly available AI apps ChatGPT and Midjourney to design a new soft drink. ChatGPT is a text-based AI tool that can generate plausible-sounding texts, including blog posts, marketing copy, and product formulations using large language models training on millions of strings of words. Midjourney is an image-based AI tool that mimics images it finds on the internet and combines them to create new images in response to prompts from the human user of the tool. The product design team at the soft drink company used the AI tools as follows. ChatGPT suggested a formula for a low-sugar vegan soda with health benefits, which included lime juice, haskap berry juice, ginger juice, chicory root powder, and cane sugar. ChatGPT suggested names for the beverage, including the one that was ultimately chosen by the human designers. And they used Midjourney to create an illustration for the labels. These tools allowed the team to develop the product in just 2 days, according to an article in Food Navigator. 2 days, huh? The product dev techs who had to source the ingredients and make those ingredients into a stable, economically viable and tasty drink might disagree. Supply chain innovations. Innovations that make use of AI in food supply chains can improve efficiencies, according to Telefonica. AI can improve the decisions used for forecasting the demand for food items, which means that food companies can produce the correct amounts when needed. AI-assisted algorithms are used to optimize food transport routes, which reduce fuel costs. AI-assisted inventory management systems work in real time to streamline warehousing processes. AI completely transforms all stages of food production, says one article post. So we've gone from the good to the bad. According to an article published in Hotelier India, and I'm going to quote here, the F&B industry has always been at the forefront of incorporating AI to enhance its operations, manage inventory, improve food safety, and more, transforming how food is produced in all stages of the supply chain. Our industry at the forefront of AI transforming all stages of food production? Yeah, right. This made me a teeny bit suspicious. So I asked ZeroGPT, an AI writing detector, whether it thought the article was written by a human. It said no. there is a 100% likelihood that the entire article was AI written. Now, I wouldn't have a problem with AI-generated blog posts if they were factual, but they are not, and this worries me immensely. And you can read more about what happened when I tried to fact-check with AI and ChatGPT in issue 83 of this publication. And the final one, the frustratingly vague story I found, was cultivated meat company uses AI to optimize for flavor and nutrition. The first three stories above describe real-world use cases for AI in food systems. That's just 3 out of hundreds. Almost every other AI in food story published in the last few months is frustratingly vague. Like this one, published in PR Newswire, which was probably written to get the futurists salivating and generate investment funding. It says that a cultivated meat company, Cult Food Science, will use AI for taste and nutrition optimization. It will do this by working with a partner company that uses a proprietary approach in which machine learning is utilized to design the best taste experiences and determine how those tastes should be implemented in the early stages of product development. That's all the detail we get. Rightio. Conclusion. To summarise, there are certainly opportunities for professionals in the food industry and analytical sciences to work faster and find better solutions using AI-assisted technologies. But I'd like some AI-focused news items to contain more meat and less fluff. And there is a link to a free webinar on AI in food in this week's Food Safety News Roundup. If you like the stuff that I'm doing, make sure to subscribe to the Rotten Apple. It keeps your inbox fluff-free. And you can say thank you with a paid subscription if you like as well. Computer says yes.